name is Mazu. Confession is, you know, it's a lot of bitches that be saying that they got a lot of money and they into this and they into that, but them bitches really be fighting over like $5 and $10. These bitches say that they red bottom bitches, but they shoes be really fake, honey, because they be ordering them off their motherfucking website. And the reason why I know this is because I do hair in the industry of the stripping, hair and makeup, so I'm always in every club. I travel from state to state. You can also reach me at 480 Orange Street because that's where I'm located and that's where I do hair. My name is Mazu. You can also Google me at kaym31.com. Also, these bitches be nasty. Some of these bitches don't even clean their ass before they come out. They always come out with no panties on. They get dressed with no panties on. Pussy be sweaty. Pussy be nasty. And they always using these fucking wipes thinking that the wipe is gonna clean their pussy, and then they spray all this spray. And then bitches be nasty from the time that they come into the club. So I just want to let y'all know that. And then there's a lot of other shit that be going on, but y'all have to catch my next confession at stripperscabconfessions.com. Motherfuckers, you know what it is.
This is my stripper cat confession. Niggas got the game fucked up. This